alumni, my extreme seniors, my seniors and my juniors, including their spouses and family who have come here. I really welcome you. Please soak yourselves and relive your past that you have been here. Please remember and revive all your old memories. Be back like you were when you were here 50 years ago, 40 years ago, 25 years ago, or so on. Siddharth has already given a mechanism of what we are doing. Shobhik has plastered it off with self-certification of ourselves. And a lot of the details have already been provided to you. Over the last 1.5 years, we have decided to make our full-time investment in trying to take these next 5 years at our disposal in the administration to do whatever we can for the institute. Today, the chairman of the Board of Governors, Dr. Srikumar Banerjee, is not only an extremely eminent scientist who was the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission, but he is also an alumnus of this institute. So, he takes great interest. He's coming here on 29th, 31st, staying 3 days, spending his time, talks to me once or twice every week. So people are engaged. What we have decided to do in a brief span of time is to try and transform the institution to an institution which not only does well, but as one of my seniors just mentioned 2 days ago, does good. And he very aptly mentioned that doing well all the time usually does not help unless you do good. So we have decided to do good while we do well. We are completely restructuring our academic curriculum, keeping in mind that this institute, just to give you a background, that whatever we say and whatever we do, however we are happy-go-lucky, this institute carries the aspirations of the nation. It does. And that is something we cannot deny, we cannot shake off, and we will not. And therefore, in order to carry the aspirations of a nation, of the brightest people of the country, we have to show the way in many aspects. So we are completely revitalizing our academic curriculum to bring into focus all that was needed for our own people, not only to gain strength in their discipline, but also to move borderless across disciplines, to gain other specializations, and to gain good international experience. Secondly, in order to revamp and revive our programs, we are investing more than about, I estimated quickly just now, about 1,000 crores in infrastructure and planning. And this 1,000 crores will be invested the next 5 years, of which we are leading some national programs. As you have seen that we have got a grant competitively bid of 100 crores to build a research park in Calcutta. We are now setting up or leading in developing the National Electronic Library for the country. The National E-Library or the National Digital Library of the country will be the repository on which all of MOOCs, all of the virtualization that is going to come and make the reach of the IITs further is another major project that we are going to take up. We have started in the last 1 year something called an international summer-winter term, by which we ran 20 international courses in 2014. And looking at that, on Monday I will be giving a presentation to the government which is approved at a national level to be coordinated by IIT Kharagpur, a 100 crore project of 1,000 such courses all over the country to be anchored by IIT. Within the institution, we are, as Siddharth and Shobhik and others mentioned, we are rapidly ramping up our infrastructure. And among the things that we want to do, as you all know, the director of IIT Kharagpur is not only the director of the institute academically and administratively, he is the chief police officer, the chief municipal officer, and everything of the campus. Yesterday night at 11 o'clock, I was telling Siddhartha, I went and got the people cleared up of 2 water tanks which were smelling, one at the main gate and one near my office before they landed up in the institute today. So we have decided that we will combine academics with our infrastructure building. So IIT Kharagpur is going to get converted into what is called a smart campus, which is sustainable in terms of water, in terms of energy, in terms of environment, in terms of habitat. And here is where we have started taking the help of alumni. Just a week ago, Professor Asit Biswas, you may have heard, is one of the leading water scientists and an alumni of this institution, was here, with whom we have discussed in detail the water plan, about how we are going to make this campus sustainable. And this is just not going to be an infrastructure exercise, this is going to be part of an exercise that students, alumni and the faculty and staff together work out. And in order to do this for energy, environment, habitat and other things, we really need a lot of your support. We are trying to move into really very high technology areas. We have invested in challenge grants every year, open to faculty, externally peer reviewed. And we are now embarking on some really innovative activities which we are getting reviewed. We are working on 3 or 4 very strategic programs for the atomic energy sector, for the defense sector, and for the space sector. In order to do good, and you have seen that there are so many activities that the students are carrying out, we have decided that we will also try to make a major difference in the regions around IIT. So we are adopting 15 villages around the vicinity, and Around these villages, we will carry out a complete development program, which includes technology, energy, health, etc., along with employment, livelihood, and everything else. And this is where we are also seeking help from everybody, and many of our alumni have already come out in support of carrying out these activities. Now, as we move ahead, I will be more comfortable answering questions to you all, your questions and queries, rather than giving you a one-sided speech. In order to carry out all our activities, and the alumni have started coming forward. For example, for our international programs, it just took 1 or 2 meetings to convince Sri Gopal Rajgaria, who simply said that, and offered more than 10 crores of rupees to just run the international programs that we are going to do. We have decided to set up 24/7 innovation labs across the board, which are integrated with our academic curriculum, and you've just heard about the M.N. Farooqui Innovation Center being supported by. Whenever we take alumni support, it is just not the money. I've started calling this sustainable money, which means that we are really looking not just for the money, but for the engagement that the alumni brings in. Just money without the engagement is not something that I am accepting at this moment. If anybody wants to offer something in a big way, saying that I want to offer a center or a school, etc., the first thing that person should do is be engaged with us for 10 years on that. If you are not engaged with us for 10 years on that, then it will be very difficult for us to carry out such programs. So I'm very happy to say that Ashok Desarkar, Rumaj Acharya Desarkar and their family have very strongly engaged in setting up a Center for Excellence in Petroleum Engineering, brought in other alumni like Farooq Mistry, and I've been having online, offline discussions even with Roy a while ago on the academic program structure and things like that, as well as a lot of international experts and industries into that program. The second thing that we are trying to move forward with the alumni is that a large number of our alumni are either in academic institutions or run projects and programs which we could greatly benefit from. And therefore, the Alumni Returns to Teach program is a program that we have started developing. And I'm very happy that yesterday we engaged with, at least verbally, and we are going to firm it up. For example, just 3-4 days ago, one of our very illustrious alumni, Kalyanma Dev, who's in the US, has offered to spend 1 month every year for the next 5 years, physically at IIT Kharagpur, and then take our students there, etc., and spend time. Yesterday, another person from the University of Purdue agreed to do that. Yesterday, I was having a talk with Harish Handi for his work on sustainable activities and development, rural development, and very quickly we agreed that he will spend some time and help develop a program with us on this sustainable development. We need at least to spend time, energy, and everything. That's what we need. That's what we don't have. There are several things which we don't have and we need from you. So I would really request you, all of you, to enjoy yourselves. And I'm here all day today. Please feel free to let us know through our channels whatever we can do to improve the institute. One final thing is that I have decided that we will develop the history of the IIT system and preserve it. Because if we don't do that, slowly, this struck me with the demise of several people whom we know who are encyclopedias of IIT, and we have not recorded all the information that they had. So, the Nehru Science and Technology Museum, adjacent to that, will be a full history museum of not only science and technology, but everything about the IIT system. And I really want this to be a mechanism by which we are able to list out every student, every staff, every faculty member who has remained with this institute, and document that not only of people, technologies, academic programs, everything, because things are getting lost. The last request that I want to make is, in the next 2-3 months, we will embark on a program which, if we succeed, will really catapult IIT Kharagpur to making contribution that is lasting in the world. And for that, 50,000 alumni have to be connected to, along with students, current students, faculty, ex-faculty and staff. All of us have within us some knowledge of some subject, which, if documented, even 1 page, 2 page, video, anything, and this repository is made, everybody has a unique way of understanding something, which, if shared, would become a gem for the next generations to know. So I have, these are big words maybe, but I will not refrain from saying that Katha Sarit Sagar was written centuries ago. I want the IIT Kharagpur alumni, faculty, students and staff together to develop this Vigyan and Prayukti Katha Sagar, which, with anything that you have regarding a topic which could enhance the knowledge of the next generation all over the world, we want to put this all up together, and in the next 2.5 to 3 years, embark on a combination of thousands of videos, text and other material that will be IIT Kharagpur's lasting and continuing contribution to the world. If even one alumni, one student, one faculty and others can make even one contribution, and we are effective by 25-30%, mark my words, we will have 20 to 30,000 entries of unique ways of explaining something, experiences, academic studies, of understanding a particular topic. Students have already started documenting experiments that they have done, etc., etc. I have discussed this with the Vice President. He says yes, but then he runs away. We all know it's difficult. But I have decided that I will take the risk to run this program myself. And it is my appeal to all of you to start thinking what you can do, how you can contribute, and let us have this one last chance so that in the next 6 to 9 months, we put in something onto the web that suddenly takes Kharagpur's stock up, because it is going to be lasting knowledge. The rest I will interact with you later. Those of you who may not know, I am also an alumnus of this institution. More than an alumnus of this institution, as we all know that this place was a jail, etc., etc. I have very strong feelings because my own school teacher was here incarcerated for 14 years, fighting for the freedom of India. So, within all our laughter, let us carry within us the aspirations of those who fought for our freedom struggle, as well as the aspirations of Punj and others who will make the India for tomorrow. Enjoy yourselves. Please remember the institute. Please feel free to help us, scold us, even if we don't respond. Write anything you want, it does not matter. I have now learned to absorb everything and then decide to take whatever action I think is possible from my end. Thank you very much for coming back and wish you a great time.